Do you want to discover the fastest ways to burn away your unwanted belly fat? Does it feel like no matter what you try, the stubborn fat around your belly just won't budge? If so, make sure you pay attention to this entire video, because inside you're going to discover the fastest way for women to lose belly fat. Before we get started, if you want to discover 15 so-called health foods that wreak havoc on the female metabolism and cause you to rapidly store belly fat, and what to eat instead to become a fat-burning machine, click the link in the description below to download your free copy of the 15 Fat-Storing Foods Report. Or go to femalefabriningsecrets.com/15foods. Fastest ways to lose belly fat for women. 1. Get more sleep. Studies show that people who don't get enough sleep gain more weight and store more body fat. This happens because when the body is sleep deprived, it becomes increasingly stressed, and stress hormones are released into the system. These stress hormones cause the body to go into survival mode, storing as much fat as it can. Make sure to get at least 7 hours of deep sleep per night, in a dark, cool and quiet room. 2. Avoid trans fats. Trans fats are one of the deadliest types of fats you can consume today, and lead to inflammation, heart disease, insulin resistance and increased fat around the waist, hips and belly. Stay away from foods that contain high amounts of trans fats such as margarine, soybean oil, baked goods and deep-fried foods. 3. Reduce your stress levels. The natural tendency of your body when under stress is to increase hunger and to store more body fat to use for energy in case food becomes scarce. Being highly stressed means that your body is producing more cortisol throughout the day, which has been shown to cause increased fat storage, especially around the belly. 4. Eat more protein. Protein is a great way to feel satisfied, while also increasing your metabolism. Eating high-protein foods releases hormones responsible for feelings of fullness and satiety. Protein also increases your metabolic rate and helps you to retain muscle mass during weight loss, which is great for your metabolism. Studies have shown that people who eat more protein tend to have less fat around their belly and waist than people who eat a higher carb, lower protein diet. Try to include at least one form of high-protein food with every meal. 5. Cook with coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best types of fats you can eat for your health and supporting your body's fat-burning processes. Coconut oil has been proven to boost metabolism and increase the rate at which your body burns stored body fat. To discover how you can get more coconut oil into your diet, as well as its extra health benefits, go to femalefabriningsecrets.com/coconut-oil, or click the link in the description below. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let us know by posting a comment below. Don't forget, if you want to discover 15 so-called health foods that wreak havoc on the female metabolism and cause you to rapidly store belly fat, and what to eat instead to become a fat-burning machine, click the link in the description below to download your free copy of the 15 Fat-Storing Foods Report valued at $19.95. Or go to femalefabriningsecrets.com/15foods.